Hello. So now we have shifted to the second viewpoint for our video shoot. कहाँ पे हैं हम और इस viewpoint के जो attributes हैं, how are they different from the first one? Again, I'll have to go back to Tanya to give us a glimpse of where we are at the moment. Tanya.
Hello, this is the second viewpoint of Mount Zanardo, and as you can see, the sun is setting over here, and we have the up close view of the lake, and we also have a glamp view.
What are glamps?
Glamp is basically luxury camping
Oh, I see.
for the ones who can't do camping. So
Which is everyone almost nowadays.
So it's a camping experience, but with the luxury of a hotel
Okay.
and with a great view.
Yes, that's the beauty of Mount Zanardo as such. So, Tanu, as you can see, nowadays our life involves less physical toil, but more of a sedentary lifestyle, isn't it? All mind work, laptop, mobiles, discussions, meetings. So, what do you think is the apt recipe to ensure कि हमारा मानसिक संतुलन बना रहे?
Yeah, the days can be stressful. Our routine is stressful. We have a lot of cognitive thinking going on. Yeah, so we have our weekends. We go out, we eat, and we do some of the relaxing at home. But we also prefer that we come once or once in a month or once in 2 months to such places
Right.
near Bangalore, and we come here, we relax, we eat, we go to new places, and it's just serenity in this place.
Yes, that's the exact word you chose, serenity. So we save up, and sure, as most of our salary, of course, doesn't go into these trips, but at least not think of it as a luxury, but it is a necessity.
Yeah, nowadays it's a necessity.
Then you become more productive in your work. So that's where it is, the second viewpoint and the second version or the second take of our song titled Hold Me Close. And as Tanu said, it's not that we are here just to shoot the video. The picture is bigger than that. It's also to purge ourselves of negative emotions and to have fun mixed with work. Stay tuned.